So yeah, let's talk about a trendy topic in global payroll, the aggregator model. It's used by most, if not all, global providers. They partner with local payroll companies in different countries for payroll processing. And on the surface, it sounds great. One platform, over 100 countries supported. But if you look closer, it's a very different story. Payroll isn't unified. In fact, each country is handled by a different third-party vendor, each with their own processing timelines and payroll engine. And a few things happen when country runs on a separate payroll infrastructure. Payroll calculations move slower, more risk of delays and errors, no real-time visibility into what's happening. That's exactly what Deel Payroll solves for. We keep payroll running faster and more accurate with one platform, one payroll experience, one payroll engine. Instead of stitching together third parties, Deel runs payroll, domestic and global, on a modern payroll architecture. That means one Deel engine calculating country payroll with local compliance rules automatically applied. It provides unified visibility, whether you're paying a few employees or thousands in one country or dozens. And plus, Deel layers AI directly into our payroll engine. It's constantly scanning payroll for issues, flagging missing or inaccurate data, and even helping automate approvals. And it's rule-based, with human oversight, delivering faster, more accurate payroll our customers trust.